In today's video, I'll show you how to make the brightness even lower on your Google Pixel. Let's get into the method. Even with the brightness set at its lowest, we can still make it lower. Open the Settings app first, and then scroll down and choose Accessibility. Within here, look in the Display section near the top for the Extra Dim option. Tap on it, and then you can turn it on with the toggle switch and customize the settings on this page, such as the intensity, which makes the screen brightness lower. You can then change the related settings below and of course turn it off at any time. That's how to make the brightness even lower on your Google Pixel. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.